How to create real-time data with Kinesis Data Generator. Let's go to the hands-on. Let's go to our browser. Search Kinesis Data Generator. Click on this. Here you can see a GitHub link, the first one, Kinesis Data Generator. Click on that one. Scroll down, and here you can see something called Kinesis Data Generator. Click on this one. Now, you see help. Click on help. Again, scroll down, and you will find this option. Create a Cognito user with CloudFormation. Okay, it will create the necessary stack with CloudFormation. Just click and it will redirect you to your CloudFormation. So we are in our CloudFormation, as you can see, and it is already creating the stack. You don't have to do anything. Click next and give a name. I have given this name. Okay, and this is very important. You have to remember this password and username. So I have already set this one for me, and click on next. Oh yeah, I'm getting an error because it is giving me already exist. Oh, again guys, I made the mistake. You know what the mistake is? That I already have the same name, stack name in my uh, CloudFormation, which I can't have. But another major flaw is that all of my services are in the another region which I'm going to connect, but this is a wrong region, so I have to connect with the right region, which is the Mumbai for me. What is the reason? Because all of the sources that I'm going to connect the stack with is in Mumbai region. So if I have the stack in US, you will have errors. Okay, so again, let's go to the same procedure. Click on next. Here, if I'm not wrong, I don't have any stack in this name. Okay, so so I can click on this. Keep the okay. Let this one next, and you don't need to do anything else. If you want, you can. So we are not going to do anything else. Click on this and next. We're done with this. You can have a review and submit. It will take a bit of time, so you will have to wait. You can refresh it again and again. Okay, as you can see, it is already started to create. It won't take too much of time, 1 minute I guess. And here's a disclaimer for you. Okay, if you have created this one time and if you have already running in your CloudFormation, and if you want to create the same thing again for the second time, you will see an error. Okay, and the reason of that error will be lambda functions. Okay, I'll show you this. Let it completely finish. So as you can see, it is completed. So as I was mentioning, that if you want to do the same thing twice, the second time when the stack is already existing, then first you have to go to the lambda function. If I refresh it, you'll see these two things. When the stack is created, these two things get created, and if they are pre-existent in your system, you won't be able to again create the same thing. If you want to create again the stack for practice, let's say, delete these two first, then delete the already created stack, and then do the process again. Only then it will work. Other than that, you will see some errors. Okay, so we don't want to delete or do it second time, so we are not going to do this too. So yeah, we have successfully created the Kinesis Data Generator, go to the outputs here and you'll see a link here. So click on this and it will redirect you to the Kinesis Data Generator. Mention your username and password here and click on sign in. If your sign in is successful, you will be here in this page. Again, be very careful to mention the right region. So we are in this one, and it will automatically show you your existing Firehose stream, Kinesis data stream. Okay, in my case I have these two and I'll be using the Kinesis data stream. Okay, so let's click this one. Here you can send the number of data that you want to send. You can I have chosen 100. I can choose anything else if I wish, but I'm going to do 100. You can even do it periodically. Okay, there are some flexibility here, but I'm not going to do that. And there are other options, and this one is very important, the template of data that you want to send. Okay, there are 5 options for you, and I have already created a template here. Okay, so if a template is going to send successfully or not, you can check it here, test template, and if it is successful it will show you some results, and if it is not successful, I think this is not going to be successful, test template, and it is not showing any results, meaning that the template that you provided is not valid. So this is how you generate data with Kinesis Data Generator for your Kinesis streams. So now the question is, how do you get this template? So for our case, I have created this, and I've created using ChatGPT. Basically what I did is that I went to ChatGPT and mentioned the uh, table. I just copied this and said, give me Kinesis data generator template for generating data for this table. Okay, so it matched the data types as well, the varchar, the float, and it gave me a template, and it worked. Okay, let me show you whether it works again or works or not. Test template, and as you can see, it is working fine. It is sending data. Okay, okay, fine. So it is basic AI work, nothing else. Okay, I have just aligned the template with my actual table. Clear? Okay, fine.